Hey guys, you've been sent to this video. It's not going to take too much of your time, but it's just to make the booking process nice and quick and simple, not only for yourself but for myself too. So the reason why is because your style of headliner board that's in your car comes out with different specs and styles, and we need to know the style of headliner board so we can offer our fast exchange. So what does our fast exchange involve? So over here guys, we have a bunch of headliner boards on the shelf, and these are the ones that we do daily if not weekly, and luckily for you, your car falls into the category of the most common cars that we do, and that's why we offer the fast exchange model, where we can have one ready and take your old one out, put a new one in. You get to go on with your day, and it doesn't take too much out of your day to come and see us or for us to stop by and install that headliner board for you. So let's just go through what it all means for you. Alright guys, so we'll just take you through the different headliner board styles on the Ford Territory. So up the front here, between the sun visors, you have either got the map lights or you've got just the sunglasses console. So let us know which one you've got. Also under the sun visors you may have lights which look like those little map light readers, or it will just be blank. That's it. Let us know if you have got, the rest of it's universal, so let us know if you have got an aftermarket DVD player, because that will change things. Also let us know if you've got a rear cargo barrier, because we don't use exchange models on those, because the cargo barrier does make a hole in our boards, and the one that we give you won't have that hole, and the one that you give us back will have that hole. So yeah, let us know if you've got a cargo barrier or any of those cargo barrier plugs screwed in the back here, because it may change things. You can always send a photo through if unsure, but that's it guys. So with the colors, they only come out in one color, which is a flat knit light grey. We have that in stock. However, if you would like to go like a black, we do have blacks in stock. So we have black flat knit, or we've got a black velour. So those are pretty good choices as well. Also we do have a dark grey charcoal, and we got the original flat knit light grey, so you can choose to go the original. We do know what the original is, so if you just go just the original please, we will have that in stock ready to go. Alright guys, and one last thing, we'd like to take this opportunity now that if you like the content, just give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel, really helps us out and will be much appreciated. Also, thanks for watching guys, thanks for your time, and hopefully we see you in the future doing your car headliner repair. Cheers!